ದಿಂತೆ ಮಾಟ ಕಂತುನಿ
ಆಶ್ರಿತ ಜನ ಶುಭ ಕರಿಷು
अरे साबरियाना मुना धीरे से.
Namaste. A very good evening to all the Rasikas. I welcome you all on behalf of Shinjan Vidyalaya. You have already got a glimpse of this evening's performances. We are back with a new event, Nritya Nipuna. Shinjan Vidyalaya has always endeavored to propagate Odissi dance, but we are not stopping here, rather trying to promote the other gifted dancers from the other classical dance style as well. This evening, we will be presenting three talented and established dancers, Shushri T. Reddy Lakshmi, Shushri Kaveri Sen, and Shushri Aloparna Guha. Before moving on to their scintillating performances, we would like to know about these wonderful dancers and about their thoughts. Welcome T. Reddy Lakshmi, Kaveri Sen, and Aloparna Guha to our event, Nritya Nipuna. You all are well established in your own field. I would love to know about how you got initiated into dance, who inspired you, and what were your experiences during your early days of training?
Namaskar, I'm T. Reddy Lakshmi, a Kuchipudi dance exponent and teacher, disciple of Padma Shri Guru Jayarama Rao Garu. I'm very thankful to Srimati Aloka Kanungo ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be part of Nritya Nipuna Festival.
My initial training in Kuchipudi dance was under Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti from New Delhi. I also had the opportunity to learn from different gurus. I had the opportunity to learn from Srimati Vanashri Rao, who is also Sangeet Natak Academy awardee. At present, I am under the able guidance of Padma Shri Guru Jayarama Rao Garu, who is also my inspiration. He is very kind, compassionate and supportive. I am able to continue my journey in dance because of his support. All the students that he had taught are today known and established. I'm very lucky to have a father figure and a guru in the same person, and I'm very thankful to him for all that he has given to me.
Namaskar. This is Kaveri Sen, Odissi dancer, disciple of Guru Srimati Alok Kanungo. I feel extremely privileged and honored to perform at Nritya
Nipuna
organized by Shinjan Vidyalaya. My humble pranam to my Guru and the director of Shinjan Vidyalaya, Guru Srimati Alok Kanungo. Initially, I learned Bharatanatyam and Manipuri dance for 4 years at Shurangama. In 1988, I started learning Odissi dance under the tutelage of my Guru, Guru Srimati Alok Kanungo. And one more thing I should mention, that it was not my decision because I was too little to take this decision. So my parents took this decision for me to learn this form of dance. Auntie's affection, care, encouragement, and strict supervision made me a classical dancer. I am truly blessed to attend the workshops conducted by Padma Vibhushana Guru Sri Keluchan Mahapatra. I don't remember exactly when I took the decision to become a classical dancer. What I remember, when I received the senior scholarship from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, I thought of pursuing it more seriously.
Whatever wing we are in, we follow our path, guided by our guardians, our guru, our well-wishers, our elders. But I'd definitely like to I'd love to share some thoughts. It's wonderful to be a student. As long you're learning, at least it happened with me, I felt like that. As long as you're learning, you're growing. In our tradition, we have to bow down before our guru, bow down before him or her to learn something. And that bowing down gives you a wonderful sense of understanding. A sentence from one of my elders changed my life. He told me, first deserve, then desire. Whatever I have got in my life is due to Kathak by virtue of Kathak. Immense amount of love from my seniors, juniors, colleagues, respect. I could meet people, I could go places. I don't know whether I deserve all this or not. But what I have tried is that I've tried to be honest, 500% honest as a classical dancer. I tried that whoever is coming to see me with some expectation, I should never let them down. Kathak ke liye jaan hazir.
Thank you. You all have worked as a choreographer. Please share your experiences about your work.
I'm the director of Nrityavahini Academy of Performing Arts, New Delhi. Through my academy and with the support of Delhi government, I'm organizing every year a festival called Pragya, Unveiling the Talent. And through this festival, I'm giving opportunity for young dancers to present their art form. I'm also organizing workshop demonstrations for the children of the government schools. And this event is called Pradarshan. I'm the leader of the multi-dance group called Shiva Shakti. I presented this group in all major national and international festivals. Though I like to present a traditional repertoire, which includes the choreographic works of the legendary gurus of yesteryears, I also had the opportunity to do the choreography for the compositions of Annamacharya and other poets as well.
ಕಲದಿಂತೆ ಮಾಟ ಕಂತು ನೀಯಾಟ తెలుసుకో నీలోనిదియే పూట పూట కలದಿಂತೆ మాట కంತು నీ ఆట తెలుసుకో నీలోనిదియే పూట పూట కలದಿಂತೆ మాట కంతు నీ ఆట తెలుసుకో నీలోనిదియే పూట పూట.
ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विद्यै ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विद्यै ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विद्यै ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विद्यै.
Recently, I had the opportunity to choreograph for the poems of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji.
After completion of my master degree in fine arts from Rabindra Bharati University, I qualified National Eligibility Test of University Grants Commission with Junior Research Fellowship, and I completed my PhD from Rabindra Bharati University under the guidance of Professor Shruti Bandyopadhyay. The topic of my PhD was a comparative study and assessment of the manifestations of Chaitanite Vaishnavism on Odissi dance and Manipuri dance. Actually, many years ago, I did a choreography on Madhurashtakam where I used Manipuri dance and Odissi dance. And I was so amazed with the torso movements of both these dance forms. And many questions regarding the technique aroused in my mind, and to search or to get those answers, to find those answers, I selected this topic for my PhD work. In fact, I always try to blend Manipuri dance with Odissi in almost all my choreographies. I received production grant from Ministry of Culture, Government of India for the production Srishti Sthiti Pralaya. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and the poet has taken this concept from our ancient literature and, of course, expressed in his own words. In this context, I should mention that besides carrying on my Odissi dance, I learned Rabindra Nritya under the supervision of Guru Srimati Pauli Guha. So I used 3 dance forms in this production, of course, Odissi, Rabindra Nritya, and Manipuri dance. After Srishti Sthiti Pralaya, I did 3 more productions, Vasanti Shringar, Ananda Chakram, and Sukha Sanjog. Of course, I used Rabindra Nritya, Odissi dance, and a Manipuri dance in these 4 productions, and sometimes I used Kathak dance too. Sri Shankarlal Mehta wrote the script for these 4 productions, and music composed by Sri Anjan Saha. Apart from these 4 productions, I choreographed few dance pieces too on Devi Saraswati. And one sadra, very famous sadra, of course, Bhavani Dayani. Besides my choreographical work, I have been performing Odissi dance at several music and dance festivals across the globe. In this context, I'm really happy to share with you all, I received a citation from the City Council of New York, USA in 2019.
देखना देखो वाली होली खिलता नंदलाल रे संग ले अपने कई ग्वाल बाल रे देखो आली होली खेलता नंदलाल रंग भरी पिचकारी लिए कर में मुरारी हसत बोलत नचत फिरत रंगत गोपियान की नई साड़ी लक्ष्मण चूनरी मोरी रंग डारी रे देखो आली होली खेलत नंद लाल देखो वाली होली खेलत नंद लाल रे
Thank you. Since last year, the whole world is in a mess. This pandemic situation has led us to face a huge crisis, and especially the artists are suffering a lot. How you have managed yourself to keep up your dreams alive and carry on till date?
Though it was difficult in the initial stage of the pandemic to cope up with the dance career, it has opened up a lot of other opportunities, and I was able to connect with different artists across the globe, and I'm able to teach students from different parts of the world through online mode. The lockdown also gave me the opportunity to study and listen to the talks that have happened during the lockdown period and learn a lot about dance.
Yes, this is very, very difficult time for all. And we, the artists, are truly missing our audiences, the vibration of the stage. But show must go on. So all the artists have been trying hard to keep their art form alive. Here, I should say, I was very, very keen to study classical Sanskrit literature and Vedic Sanskrit literature, but I couldn't manage time earlier. In this pandemic situation, got this opportunity and have been studying since 1.5 years from Professor Shoma Guhuroy. Apart from my study, I have been doing virtual concerts, teaching, and nurturing my students at my own school, Divine Inspiration, a School of Performing Arts.
Okay, thank you. My last question is that you all three are very promising and well-versed dancers. What is the future of your dance style in your eyes?
I want to move forward in dance as long as my body and mind supports me. I would do my best to teach and carry forward this art form. My message for the young and aspiring artist is that practice your art form for yourself, for your happiness, and not for showing it to others or for proving a point. As long as you do anything for yourself, you will enjoy the fruit of it and you will definitely be successful.
3 words: dedication, devotion, and determination are very important to continue this age-old dance form. I seek blessings from my Guru always. Namaskar.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and experiences. Now it's time for the much awaited presentations this evening. Let us begin the performance. Our first performer is Shree T. Reddy Lakshmi, And
गार लहरी श्रुतजन शुभ करि शृंगार लहरी श्रुतजन शुभ करि शृंगार लहरी आश्रित जन 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 शुभ करि संगीत भोज आनंद 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 मधु माधुरी मद मधुकरी मंगलागी मदनारी मनोगरी माम मधु माधुरी मद मधुकरी मंगलागी मदनारी मनोगरी माम बसा रिसनी पसानी पम गम प गम पसनी प गम पदिसा रिसनी पसानी पम गम प गम पसनी प गम पदिसा रिसनी सनी पम पनि पम पम गम रि गरि पम गम पदिसा सनी पनि पम पम गम मगस सानी प नि पम पम ग मगस सासनी पनि पम पम गम मगस मग पम नि प सानी पम गम पनि गनि बद पम गस पमगस नि पमगस सानी पमगस रिसनी पमग मपनि मंगजारी हृदयंगमधर घसिते अखिल गम सन्मुते भृंगचिकुर करुणारस बरबरीते तुंग जगन ललिते सुरसेविते तुंग जगन ma pa sa ni pa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma pa ni pa ma ga ma ri ga ri pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ni pa ma ma ga sa ma ga pa ma ni pa sa ni pa ga ma pa ni da ni pa da pa ma ga sa ni pa ma ga sa ni pa ma ga sa ri sa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni shu ga
tajam 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 sargado 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 sa
आश्रित जन शुभ करिश आश्रित जन शुभ करिश सखी है केशे मथन मुदारम सखी केशी मथन मुदारम सखी केशी मथन मुदारम सखी केशी मथन मुदारम सरसमणिनूपुर संगत पादे समधिगता किल सागवेदे सरसमणिनूपुर संगत पादे समधिगता किल सागवेदे सरसमणिनूपुर संगत पादे समधिगता किल सागवेदे सरसमणिनूपुर संगत पादे समधिगता किल सांगवेदे 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 सरसमणिनूपुर संगत पादे समधिगता किल सांगवेदे
धित तक धिन्न तक कुंद टिकिट तक तक धि तक धिन्न तक्कुंदरि किट तक तद्धि तक धिन्न तकुंदरि किट तक तक धि तक धिन्न तकुंदरि किट तक तरि तरि धन धन झेणु झेणु धीमि धीमि तरि धन झेणु 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 धीमि
सरसमणिनु पुरसंगत पादे समधिगता किल सागवेदे सरसमणिनु पुरसंगत पादे समधिगता किल सागवेदे सरसमणिनु पुरसंगत पादे समधिगता किल सागवेदे कनकपटावृत घनतर जगने कनकपटावृत घनतर जगने नारायण तीर्थ भावित पलके नारायण तीर्थ भावित पलके नारायण तीर्थ भावित पलके नारायण तीर्थ भावित पलके जय जय दुर्गे जितवैरी वर्गे वियदनिलादि विचित्र सगे जय जय दुर्गे जितवैरी वर्गे जय जय दुर्गे जितवैरी वर्गे जय जय दुर्गे जितवैरी वर्गे दुर्गे जय दुर्गे दुर्गे
Our next performer is Shri Dr. Kabiri Sen.
तक झेणु ताजम ताजम तारे झम ताजेणु तक झेणु ताजम ताजम तारे झम तानाना तारे झम तानाना तारे ताजम ताजम तक झेणु ताजम ताजम तारे झम ताजेणु तक झेणु ताजम ताजम तारे झम तानाना तारे झम तानाना तारे ताजम ताजम तक झेणु ताजम ताजम तारे झम ताजेणु तक झेणु ताजम ताजम तारे झम re ga re sa ni pa ni pa re sa ni pa ga pa ni sa ni pa ga re sa re ga pa re ga pa re ga pa ni ga pa ni ga pa ni pa ni sa re ga re sa ni re sa ni sa ga re sa ni re sa ni sa ga re sa ni re sa ni sa tri ta ta na na ta tri ta ta na na ta na 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 di re na na ta tri ta ta na na tri ta ta na 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 ta tri ta ta na na ta na 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 di re na na ta tri ta ta na na ga 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 sa ni pa ni pa ga pa ga 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 sa ni sa pa ga 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 pa ga pa ni pa ni sa ni sa re sa re ga re ga ga pa ga 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 sa re sa ni pa ni pa ga pa ga re sa ni pa ni pa ga pa ga re ga re sa re sa ga pa ga pa ni pa ni sa ga pa ga pa ni pa ni sa ni sa ga pa ga pa ni pa ni sa ni sa tri ta ta na na ta tri ta ta na na ta na 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 di re na na ta tri ta ta na na tri ta ta na 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 ta tri ta ta na na ta na 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 di re na na ta tri ta ta na na 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 ta na di re na ta na di re na ta na na ta na na ta na ta na di re na ta na na ta na na ta na ta na di re 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 na ta na na ta na na ta na na ta na na di re 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 na ta na 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 di re na ta na 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 di re na ta na 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 di re na ta ka jenu ta jom ta jom ta jenu ta ka jenu ta jom ta jom ta ta na na ta na na ta ri ta jom ta jom ta ka jenu ta jom ta jom ta jenu ta ka jenu ta jom ta jom ta na na ta ri ta jom ta jom ta ka jenu ta jom ta ta ka jenu ta jom ta ta ka jenu ta jom ta jom ta na na ta ri jom ta na na ta ri ta jom ta jom ta ka jenu ta jom ta jom ta jom ta na na ta चन्दन शिशिर तरेण करेण पयोधरे गुरुयदुनन्दन 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 चन्दन शिशिर तरेण करेण पयोधरे मृगमदपत्र कमात्र मनोहर मृगमदपत्र कमात्र मनोहर मृगमदपत्र कमात्र मनोहर मृगमदपत्र कमात्र मनोहर मङ्गलकलश सहोदरे निजगादशा यदुनन्दने क्रीडति हृदया नन्दने रसना वासना भरणानि मणिरसना 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 वासना भरणानि शुभाशय वासय सुन्दरे निजगादसा यदुनन्दने क्रीडति हृदया नन्दने 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 क्रीडति हृदया नन्दने
Our last and not the least presentation is by Shri Alokparna Guru.
झूला धीरे से झूला बनवारी, झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी, हर सावरियाना झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी, हर सावरियाना झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी, झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी, हर सावरियाना झूला धीरे से झूलाओ, झूला धीरे से झूलाओ, झूला धीरे से झूलाओ, झूला धीरे से झूलाओ झूला धीरे से झूलाओ झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी अरे सावरियाना झूला धीरे से झूलाओ जोर से झूलत मोरा जियारा डरत है जोर से झूलत मोरा जियारा डरत है जियारा डरत है जियारा डरत है जोर से झूलत मोरा जियारा डरत है कहीं लचके कदम के नारी कहीं लचके कदम कहीं लचके कदम कहीं लचके कदम के नारी अरे सावरियाना झूला धीरे से झूलाओ झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी अरे सावरियाना झूला अगल बगल दुई सखिया झूलत है अगल बगल दुई अगल बगल दुई सखिया झूलत है सखिया झूलत है अगल बगल दुई अगल बगल दुई सखिया झूलत है अगल बगल दुई सखिया झूलत है सखिया झूलत है सखिया झूलत है अगल बगल दुई सखिया झूलत है बिचुआ में झूले रे बिचुआ मेरे बिचुआ में झूले राधा प्यारी बिचुआ में झूले राधा प्यारी अरे सावरिया झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी अरे सावरियाना झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी अरे सावरियाना अरे सावरियाना अरे सावरियाना
Those were really mesmerizing and wonderful performances by all three dancers. I hope the upcoming talents will be inspired by our guests this evening. Very warm thanks to T. Reddy Lakshmi, Kabiri Sen and Alakporna Guho for being with us. With this, we are ending this evening. Our technical supports are Shankar Shen and Oishali Bhunya for videography and editing, Nivedita Daw at the digital desk, poster designed by Srilina Ghosh. Hope you all have enjoyed this evening. Thank you, viewers, for watching us, and namaste.